Have you ever wondered why YouTube loads so fast, even when you're on a slow internet connection? The secret lies in CDNs, or content delivery networks. Let's break it down. A CDN is a network of servers distributed across the globe, working together to deliver web content to users. Imagine you're at a music festival, and your favorite artist is performing on the other side of the field. If you had to wait in line for hours to get a ticket, you'd be frustrated. But what if there were ticket booths all around the festival, so you could grab a ticket quickly, no matter where you were? That's basically what a CDN does, but instead of tickets, it delivers website content. Let's compare how websites work with and without CDNs. Without a CDN, when you visit a website, your browser has to travel long distances to reach the main server, which can cause delays. With a CDN, the content is cached on servers closer to you, reducing the distance and making the site load faster. Think of it like ordering food from a restaurant. Without a CDN, it's like having to wait for the food to be prepared and then shipped from a faraway kitchen. With a CDN, it's like having a mini kitchen near you, where the food is already prepared and ready to be served. So, what are the benefits of using a CDN? For starters, websites load significantly faster, with an average increase of 30%. This leads to 20% more user engagement, which is crucial for businesses. Plus, CDNs reduce the load on the main server by 40%, making it more efficient. Imagine you're on a crowded bus, and someone opens a window. It's like a breath of fresh air. That's what a CDN does for websites, providing a smoother experience for users. There are several types of CDNs available, each with its own strengths. Cloudflare, Akamai, and Verizon Digital Media Services are some of the most popular ones. These CDNs have their own networks of servers and offer different features, such as security, analytics, and performance optimization. Think of it like choosing a ride-sharing service. You have options like Uber, Lyft, and Ola, each with its own benefits and features. While CDNs offer many benefits, there are also challenges to consider. Security risks, cache invalidation, and cost management are some of the key concerns. For example, if a CDN server is compromised, it can lead to security breaches. Imagine you're on a team project, and someone shares a file with a typo in the name. It can cause confusion. Similarly, CDNs require careful management to avoid issues. CDNs have many real-world applications, and YouTube is a great example. YouTube uses a CDN to deliver videos to users worldwide, ensuring fast and smooth playback. This is especially important for live streaming, where latency can be a major issue. Imagine you're watching a live sports event on YouTube. A CDN helps ensure that the video streams smoothly, even if you're on the other side of the world. The future of CDNs looks promising, with emerging technologies like edge computing. Edge computing brings computation and data storage closer to users, reducing latency even further. This will enable new use cases, such as augmented reality and IoT applications. Imagine you're on a road trip, and your car's GPS system updates in real time. That's what edge computing can do for CDNs, enabling faster and more efficient content delivery. In conclusion, CDNs play a crucial role in delivering web content quickly and efficiently. They work by caching content on servers around the world, reducing latency and improving user experience. Next, we'll dive into the mystery of proxies and their impact on online security. How do proxies work, and what are the implications for users? We'll explore it in the next episode.